Alright guys, what is going on? Brimix here. Giving us a small update what's going on. One, I just came back from vacation. I took a week off. We went to visit family in South Carolina. But now we're back here in Virginia. Going straight to work. And yeah, so last time we left off, we were hooking up these cables for the screen. We've already connected the big connector. You had to obviously remove it from the radio, and you had to transfer the fiber optic cable, which is that orange one right there, out from the old one, which was here, and connected this one. This is the one with the radio came with. So this one, the radio, this cable goes to the original radio, so you plug it in to the new one where the radio came from, and then you undo the fiber optic from here and you move it to this end. Okay, this is what's gonna plug in to the radio. Since we swapped, this is pretty much like an extension, so it just extends it a little bit, and then also it gives information to the screen. That's why you have two of these. Pretty much it'll send information from the car to the screen, and this to the radio, so it knows what to do. Okay, and then here you have all your video cables. I am planning on doing a 360 camera on this car, so you get the bird's eye view, which is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to start doing it. But for now, we're gonna get started with the screen. Big 12.3 inch, so that's the newer one, not the 10-inch one. It's the big one. I have it in the back here. I don't know if you see it or not. I have the box right there. All the things I gotta do first. And I'm still working on this for the ambient light kit. So that's what's taking a little while. I'm doing two things at once. I should probably focus and just do one thing at a time. I just came back from vacation, guys. So just bear with me. Obviously another vacation's coming up, New Year's. So I'm gonna take some time off there too. So yeah, I gotta keep working, guys. I gotta act. All right, guys, so we have here so the only problem is that this part of the charger didn't want to fit in with one of the cables down here. I'm not sure if you're gonna need it or not. I think we need it for sound. I don't remember doing this last install, but I got the screen right here. We're getting ready to put in the GPS antenna and the 4G antenna. I'm gonna stick it here. And then we got the plastic trim. Where's that trim? Right here. So we're gonna put this trim in here like this. I'll show you guys once I put the antenna on and stuff. But yeah, it's gonna look nice. How big the thing is. It's massive. What's up, guys? I'm right there. Look how massive this thing is. It's gonna be sitting like this, so it's gonna look incredible. But yeah, let's get this thing going. All right, guys, so we're putting on right now the antennas. You want to make sure you put it through this plastic first. Don't make the same mistake I did. I'm putting these first, and then this plastic. Obviously the antenna couldn't fit through. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, but you guys want to make sure you put the antennas past this hole, and then you put it here, because these grooves are gonna go into this. So you slide it up. You see what I'm talking about? You put it in here and then you slide it up and it stays stuck. And then for extra precaution, you just put the screws inside, just in case you don't want anyone coming in just literally picking it up and taking it out. You want them to at least struggle a little bit. Well, and if someone tries to steal the radio. But yeah, let's finish this up, guys. I'm gonna show you guys when I put the screws on and everything. You can also, as you can see, you can decide to put in a SIM card in there, so you can have service. You go to T-Mobile or Sprint, anywhere, ask for a SIM card for a tablet. This will be considered a tablet since you can use apps. You can download apps, Google Play and Google Play Store and stuff like that. I'm not sure what this is. Probably a memory card or something you can put in there. But other than that, guys, yeah, let's get it. All right, guys, now that we have this screwed on. You see, you put them on the railings right there. And I don't know if you can see. Try to do it. There goes the screw. It came with a screw and a bracket, so you got to put the bracket in first, and then you put the screw through. You can see. Okay, I can't open it, but both the screws are in there. You got both the antennas right here. This is a GPS antenna. You can leave it into the dash. It's okay. It still gets signal most of the time, although we're going to be using Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So if you want to use the built-in GPS, you can. It comes with it. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. It can also stay back there. Yeah, so let's get it, guys. Now we gotta make some room here. We gotta put this one in here. It's gonna give it, I believe this is gonna give it power, and this is gonna be for the actual radio. But yeah, this plugs in to one of these cables down here. I gotta find that cable. But yeah, that's where we at right now. All right, we got it mocked up. Everything's plugged in right now. As you can see, we're not finished yet. We're just leaving it like this. We're gonna plug in the radio, make sure everything's working. Backup camera's working. We have sound coming out. If not, I'm gonna have to talk to them because they sent me the wrong adapter for it. All right, now it's turning on. There we go. Oh, it looks nice. Oh, that's nice. We have the radio right here. We got to make sure the sound, everything's working. And we're able to put everything back in the spot. Oh, look how nice it looks. You can't really tell, but it looks nice. Alright guys, I got it to work. Let me put the volume before I get copyrighted. I got it to work. I just had to switch this one because it didn't show the display. But now it's showing the display. So I put in this one, and then I put it into, I believe this is the 4.0. Yeah, the 4.0, you put it in to this one. And it should work. You can see it. Should be. Let's see. Let me go back. There we go. Like, my wheel still moves. My navigation, MP3. I have a CD in here with a bunch of music. So let's see if I go to audio. So this is all the songs that I have in here. That's my first song with Drake. But besides the point, guys, let's put everything back in. And yeah, make sure all the wires are tucked in nicely in there. Make sure the camera's working. And yeah. Alright guys, we also have the CarPlay already working. Looks beautiful, guys. Like, look how dope it looks. Yeah, it's really nice. The camera's not working. I'm gonna take a look at that, but I'll show you guys after how it looks. But look how massive the screen is, guys. Can't wait to change the steering wheel to the sports steering wheel. But yeah, look how big old the screen is. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is what I'm gonna do so far, guys. Part 3 coming out. I gotta go to work, so I'm trying to hurry up and do this video. Yep.